Okay, in this question, at an electronic sale, the usual price of a camera is 25% of a notebook before including a GST of 7%. So normally what we do is change 25% to a quarter. So if we are to write it again in short form, which means that the usual price of a camera, and 1 is linked to C, and 4 is linked to the usual price of a notebook. So now, Michael bought a camera and a notebook for a total of $2,675 after including GST. So meaning that if we are to draw model or write units, it will be like that. Okay, so but this is actually before GST. So how do we find before GST? We know that after GST, the cost of the camera and the notebook is 2675. So 107% of C and N is 2675. So 100% of C and N, which is actually the usual price, is 2675 divided by 107 times 100. 2675 divided by 107 times 100 is in fact $2,500. So meaning that 5U is actually 2500. Yeah. So what is the cost of the notebook with the GST? So now, usual price of the notebook will be 2,500 divided by 5 to find the value of 1 unit, and times 4. So is $2,000. Yeah, because here you can actually find the value of 1U, which is $500. So you can just times 4 because in this case it's 4 units. But what about including GST? So 107% of N will be 107 divided by 100 times $2,000. Because if you are to draw a model, and this is 100%, and this is actually $2,000, and you need to add a 7% GST to find the total value. Yeah, this is a question mark. So cancel. So 200 times 107 to give you 2140. Okay. Now this is part A. What about part B? They want the total GST paid on the 2 items. So let me see. Since GST is 7%, so we can find GST of N and C will be 7% over 100 times the total usual price, which is 2500. Yeah, because this 2500 is before GST. Alright, so times 2500, cancel, and 7 times 125, 25 times 7 will be 175, and this is the answer for part B.